Hey there, welcome to my little creative corner. I hope you are guys doing great. I have always wanted to make my own jewelry, and today I am making something really special. In Bengali households, we have a beautiful flower called Chandra Mallika, and I absolutely love it. It looks so bright, fresh. So today I am turning this beautiful flower into a clay necklace. And here is a question for you. What flower do you love the most? Would you ever try making jewelry inspired by it? Let me know in the comments. Now let's bring this floral beauty to life with clay. I'm rolling out the clay, cutting teeny petals and layering them one by one, just like the real Chandra Mallika is. This process is so relaxing and satisfying. It's like an escape into creativity. Do you enjoy making jewelry or crafts with clay? If yes, keep watching because I'll share a special tip at the end of the video. Now that the flower is ready, it's time to turn into a necklace. I am carefully attaching the clay flower to a pendant base. You can also add beads or other elements to make it more unique. Time to bring this to life with colors. I'm using soft shades of yellow, white to match the natural beauty of Chandra Mallika. A little shading here, a little highlight there. And now it's glowing. Do you think I should try making jewelry inspired by other flowers? Let me know in the comments. As promised, here is the most important tip. To make sure your clay jewelry lasts long, sealing it with varnish or resin not only protects the piece but also give it a smooth, polished look. This way you can wear your handmade jewelry without worrying about damaging. And here it is, my Chandra Mallika inspired necklace. It turned out so beautiful and bright, just like the flower itself. And here it is, my Chandra Mallika inspired necklace. It turned out so beautiful and bright, just like the flower itself. I absolutely love making jewelry with clay. It feels so personal and creative. What do you think? And don't forget to tell me which flower would you love to turn into jewelry. Comment below. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more creative layers. See you in the next one. Bye bye.